guys, especially if you're in the beginning in your sales careers or BD careers, let's say you just joined a new company or you just joined a new organization a year ago, doesn't matter. You have ability to play a newbie card. A newbie card works until you're, I think, 20, 21, 22. Later it doesn't really work, because if people understand that you are junior, that you don't like very old, you don't look very professional, they will neglect you a little bit, because they don't think that you are powerful. They don't think that you make any decision in the company, um, which can be good, because like if you're young, you have no other way. Like you just need to play your weaknesses and make your strengths. So it can actually help you. Like how do you use it? Well, first of all, let's say if you're going on the call, you can leverage that with certain people. They really, really like that you're junior. They really, really like that somebody is taking a shot at the industry, at this company. Somebody like you is making the moves, because a lot of your people of your age, if you're young, they don't work. They don't sit on calls. They don't close big deals. They just go and they just have a regular Friday with the beers. And some people really admire the fact that you, being at the young age, do those things. So you can always play that. You can always deliver on that appearance. You can always show that you're very eager with those people. You can always say that if you're unsure of something, let's say if you don't know how to close the deal, and you're young, and your buyer is like way older than you, and they really like that you're young, you can always play that. You can say, hey John, like I really don't know, like this is the first time that I'm doing this, so how do I do that? Or like, would it be okay if you talk with John about that right now? You can't? Why not? And then you can be really genuine, because maybe there are certain things that you don't know, and this will help you to go and close more deals because you're young, and that's it. Like you can just play that. Some people will tell you, no, Nikolai, it's like you should already know that, and it's okay. So some people will not be so nice for you, but majority of people are nice, especially in Web3. Maybe it works only for me, but I think that it should be for you as well. So if you're young, don't be afraid of your age. Like go and clearly tell for the people. If you're doing something for the first time, if you don't know how to do it, if you're afraid to do it, go call it out. Go to tell, sorry John, like it's the first time that I'm doing this, and I really don't know, I don't want to mess up. That's really important, because there's going to be, I don't know, the second deal that I will close in my company. Hopefully, I hope you understand. Let's work on this patiently, blah blah blah. And you can do this all the time, because that's really the truth. If you say the truth to the people, they would emotionally resonate with you. They will feel the empathy for you. So if you're young and you feel that you're vulnerable, or you don't know how to do something, that's okay. Don't worry about that. Just go. Like it's not a problem. You will get older. You will get older soon, and you will not have that problem. So that's how we turn that into the weakness. That's what I was trying. That sometimes I still do that, because I still look young and I feel young. So to all of those people that are looking for new wins for their sales, just go for it. The opportunities are there. Web3 is there. Sales are there. Companies are there. Businesses there. There's so many new things that you can explore and do in this world. So I'm wishing you to do all of that. And if you're looking for making your life in sales and BD more easier, more interesting, more effective, there is a ton of videos on my channel. You can check out them all in the description. Put a thumbs up and sign up for the Web3 Sales Gym Telegram community to go and chat with people like you. So see you. Bye bye.